We dedicate the award to the man.
Amen. House, which has been in existence since the year 2012. Emelia Brobbey was born on the 6th of January to Mr. Samuel Penyin Brobbey and Miss Selena Ambonsa. She hails from Achim Sudro in the Eastern region. The actress and philanthropist grew up in the Achim Sudro area, where she had a primary JSS and SSS education. Emelia attended Chibi Presby Teachers Training College, where she was trained as a teacher and a graduate with Teacher Set A. She furthered education with diploma in journalism, a manifold tutorial college, and a bachelor's degree in the human resource management at Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration, GEMPA. Emelia has inspired a lot of people as she is one of the finest and versatile actresses Ghana has ever produced. She's currently making Ghana proud with the latest movie produced by herself titled Adam for Bonnie, which is premiering in a lot of movie theaters in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, please, let's put our hands together for the beautiful Emelia Brobbey. Emelia O'Hara. Yeah, because of what's your paper, my main friend is my group of companies. Who was that called Johanna? Doctor, blah, 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 blah. Doctor, say, call me, blah, 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 blah. Doctor, say, call me. Doctor, say, call me. Doctor, say, call me. Despite what? What you say? Champion Bako. I dare my in our commercial for a feeling despite Bako Panambeka Chemui. Don't tell home outside Penipa. What you say? O Penipa, Sam. If you hold my door back at Kramasa, who cry no, one Casa grow, no. But that's also cool. Aye. That's what I decided for the going to match as well. Okay, but she's hearing me. Monsama, that's right. Peace FM, UTV, Companies 17 Cabio, Real Estate. Eti, one at the award, remember, in your bar, Emelia Brobbey. Monsama, that's right. That's why you want to make a piece of family or pass a camera for quite a bit of radio. So, Miss Manu can never kind of more. I'm going to okay. Eti Sabe, or rather, I'm enjoying it. I'm a sick camera. So, calling TV, I don't know. That's the mammy of Bruno anyone was a very good man. So, and then I catch a kid 12 and I catch Emelia. Me, I go to you, Mama movies in also so. Papa, we are not chance, and that's why you know. You, Emelia, I said, I'll come as well. One year, Mecca. You see, I see play my
Thank you. Media Sedaka say be Nyankopon. Na award dey kura me papa despite over here. Me dedicate man. The first time I call radio so Peace FM. And no na ma me nya akudro se mekasa e woni pem. Enti mekasa doctor Nyankopon enshall be pray. Me dance so say me won say e body di say ono so na emfa ma award e ma me. Abidi a me charity event no omubo advert no ma me free. Obi ti bi bisa say ade Peace FM ni TV e o dia na. Nanso dia me hu ne say e bi ase. Sempo enye se wunya wo hu bebre ansa wa boa de oni bie. Ti pese me encourage you bia wa ha say sempo one Ghana na wo a wo de oni bia na wa man 50 pesos. Thank you so much. Organizers, me so much proud of it. I dedicate this also to my family and then to my siblings and then to Mr. Amwakohine for being behind me through it all. Thank you so much.
Yo, who wants someone? What channel about my Emelia? Channel about my channel. Kumasi in what you say? So I about my is on the one for the Emelia Brobbey. Hey, man, I design. Mama Chacha, what the BMC can't hear much. Yes. Bounce.
The
happy what we happy. What's up, not telling now? Bonsama Ghana young millionaires. Or piano by Piano, Bonsama, or say Kwame specialized Jordan, the one winner. Bonsama. Okay, Timmy Pacho, Mufana, I want them right now. Function is a function is Pacho Fafa, Mufa, walk them right. Yes.
Champion with that.
Madam, come back small, madam.
Pacho Musha when you answer, when in the team is yes. Yeah, this is the right one. Pacho, Mami show you. Okay, all right. T lawyer. Why you not to them? Why go to them? Some of them
Institute of Chartered Professionals UK, and I'm a board doctor. Daniel Boatin Abaso. Our Abrabomu achievement.
Amen.
And the doctor, any book, Abrabomu dear Chese. Wabo ama Broso. Ama Ayi. Doctor Yamisha. Certificate. Created there actually. Opening pass science Chese Dimu. As soon as they come in.
About someone. You buy a man award, that's why I'm not free state. I can't be venture. I just anybody who about some. On was so young chance. Papa dance about 20 years. Chance no teach him about Jusica. Why the because after that? About some man. Why are they pa? Better than their body. Put your hands together for him. That is beautiful. You and any ACCP. And I have one abaso. Every pa. Now I should say this was a joy daddy wa ha. Who's a despite wa special eyes wa ha. Obi wa happy. Yes. Nice one. Tienye ni say you know. Wo fa beka kakra bi. Ache ye nyina na esu esu kakra de free mom. Ti wo fa. Me de mark ni ma no kakra bi ache ye nyina.
Good evening. That we now was say an angry. We be a better much. Now, you pay the machine to check it before it meets. Then you pass it. Our mom organize a programming us. That we all have bias. And I'm a bank pass. And I'm 42 and name a consultant. So, I'm going to man a course for me. Dedicate about the Emma, and Papa.
DPS. They call last one in this batch. They call last one, I say. But your next one, your friend Dr. Harrison Tete, Deputy CEO, Joy Industries Limited. Dr. Harrison Tete, Deputy CEO, Joy Industries Limited, is a limited liability registered under the laws of the Republic of Ghana in the year 2001, formerly known as Joy Herbal Center, a renowned and one of the most highly rated company in terms of the production of high-quality herbal medicine and alcoholic beverages in Ghana. The company is situated at Akodu in Brong Dususu and Densusu in Brong Densusu on the Suhungo main road in the eastern region of Ghana. Joy Industries Limited became operational in the year 2001 with the backup of an extensive business experience. The company has gradually etched itself into the